G'day, VDubbed here, and how you doing? Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I've got a surprise for all of you viewers, and yeah, I hope you like it. It's the start of a new project. So, no, it's not a Lamborghini, unfortunately. It is a 2003 VW Beetle. It is the Icon, which is a slightly higher body spec. It's the 2-litre engine with an automatic gearbox. So my youngest son has just passed his driver's license, and we need the extra vehicle. And because the Baja and the One Combi aren't finished yet, we need an extra vehicle now that we've got 2 kids. So this is what we bought. Bought it last night in the dark, so this is the first time we're looking at it. And you can see the front badge there's faded, a few dents on the bonnet, but otherwise it's in quite good shape. So I've got a few ideas of how I want to modify this car. As you saw from the title, I'd like it to be a retro Beetle. So even though it's not an air-cooled vehicle, I'm sure we can have quite a bit of fun with it. So moving around the back here, yeah, it's in pretty good nick. You can see the hubcaps on this side. On the other side they're missing. Looking down here you can see there's some scrapes and scuffs, and even worse over there. But nothing that a bit of sanding and a bit of paint can't fix. Moving right round the back there, you can see it's the Icon, which just came with cruise control, power steering, sunroof, a couple of extras. You can see the scrape on this side. It's obviously reversed into something. But all in all, it's quite a nice car. Quite clean in the sense that it's all there, but it was quite filthy when we got it. It's just a close-up of the damage. Coming on the side, again I said it's missing the little VW emblems. You can see some scrapes, similar sort of places where it's been hit on curbs. Emblem missing at the front. Yeah, quite a nice little car. Opening the door. Just you can see the door card has been changed before, as it's come from a blue car. And it's all black. But you can see the rest of the door is silver, so it wasn't the whole door that was replaced. Then you can see the interior is black, whereas the rest of ours is black and grey. But I quite like the black. It looks quite nice. So looking inside now, it's got covers on the seats because the seats unfortunately are torn. But everything seems to be there, everything's working. So just moving the seat forward now. You can see it's a bit dirty, but back seat's in quite good condition, apart from that tear at the top there. So on the whole it's in pretty good condition, just needs a very good clean. It's missing the cup holder at the back there behind the armrest. You can see the radio has been changed out. It's got air conditioning. It is an automatic, obviously. There's a center console that moves up and down. Got a bit of damage on that, glued together. We might need to find a new piece for that, but it seems to work. So the plan is to take it to the detailer and get it all cleaned up and see what we end up with. This is the remote for the car, and none of the buttons actually work. So that should open the car, that should open the hatchback, but none of it works. So you have to put the key in the door. Yeah, look at the bubbling on the window there. That's the tinting on the window that's peeling off. So it's looking a hell of a lot cleaner, much better. But you can see all the scratches on the plastic components of the dash and the tears in the seats now that we've taken the covers off. Moving the seat back and hopping in. And this one's got the sunroof. So the sunroof's opening. It's closed. There we have the glove box. These are all its papers and service books. There's a huge dash. Little light in the glove box. Remote not working. You have to pull this lever here, which opens the back. It's got a little tray, and those are just the old manky seat covers. It's got these little 12 volt outlets everywhere. Button to lift the seat down. Seat's not too bad at the back here. So coming around to the front. So they have a little tongue that you pull. It's the normal 2-litre 4-cylinder motor, but I see that's damaged. Oh, this whole covers, it's the battery covers, not great. Air pump running. But it's in not bad condition for a car that's 2003.
It's Kev's first drive.
Since it's been cleaned, Thanks so much for watching. And let me know in the comments what you think. Take care. God bless. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave me any comments.